Here I have DOOGEE T20, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Record. So by tapping on it you can start recording, but firstly you'll have to select audio source, and you can also enable touches on screen. So to start recording, just tap start once, and after this countdown recording starts. So I don't know, let's record some of our screen. So when you're done recording, you just go to the upper bar and tap stop here, and after that this recording will be saved to the gallery. And here it is. Recording starts. So I don't know, let's record some of our screen. So from here you can share, edit, or delete your recording, or perform some other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.